Hello class, welcome to the Bedroom Makeover Design Challenge. Each of you are going on an individual quest to solve a bedroom disaster. So you have been hired by a client who has a bedroom disaster. As the interior designer, it is your job to design a new and improved bedroom that complements your client's style and interests. In this lesson, you will do the following. First, you're going to draw an interior space in one-point perspective, which you practiced in our flip lesson. You're going to also draw elements of the room, such as a window, bed, and dresser to fill the space. Your challenge is you're actually competing with group members at your table, and you're going to try to design the best room for that client. You're looking at the design problems and also their style. I also want you guys to refer to the scenario sheet. Based on your group table, each table is going to be assigned to a specific client. We have 3 different clients. First, we have Justice Lewis, who's a 15-year-old boy that lives in New Jersey. Then we have Nadia Khan. She's 18 years old, and she lives in Maryland with her mom, 2 younger brothers, and pet cat. And we also have Javier Morales, which is an 8-year-old boy who lives in South Florida with his parents and older brother. Each client has a profile which has different descriptions of who they are and where they live. Each one has a unique style and interest, and they each have specific bedroom dilemmas. So just for an example, Nadia is a college student at the University of Maryland, and she commutes to school. So at home, she needs a calm and relaxing space away from her younger brothers to rest and focus on her studies. So that's one of her problems that you'll have to solve. Also, she usually does her homework on her bed and has a hard time getting her work done. So I want you to consider these specific dilemmas and coming up with solutions for them. Okay. In the flipped lesson, you guys learned how to draw a room using one-point perspective and how to draw the basics like a window, a bed, and a dresser. And you'll also have to have these items in the client's room. Okay. I want you to take today's class to collaborate with your group members. Also think about all of the additions you'll have to make and the solutions you'll come up with. And then I want you to make a light sketch that does not have to be colored, but you're just drawing out your ideas. So to help you, I've made this planning sheet, and I want you to collaborate with the students in your group because you guys will all have the same client, and you guys are going to consider the factors on the left. And all of these factors influence the design that you're creating based on your client. And you're going to take your notes and write down the ideas on the right. So the things you're considering is the style that you're using, color scheme, patterns, decor, thinking about how you're going to solve your client's dilemma, and considering 2 or more improvements or additions that you'll make based on your client's interests. Okay, so work again with your group table, come up with a lot of different ideas. After you've done your planning sheet, you're going to actually make a preliminary sketch. You can use the sketch template to help you, and you're going to plan out solutions and decoration details that you're going to design for your client. And so I just want you to draw them out so we can see them. This does not have to be colored. It is a preliminary sketch. Okay. I also included a copy of Vincent van Gogh's bedroom. We're going to just discuss this in class towards the end as you guys start to consider color scheme and details that really tell us about the person that lives in this space. So this will be something that we'll reflect on, but you can also look at it right now and just get some ideas for how the artist uses complementary colors, how they use personal items in the room that are significant to the person who lives there. Okay. And make sure that you also review the performance assessment rubric so that as you're going through the project, you'll know exactly what you need to do. I'm going to focus on number 4, which is exceeding expectations. You're going to have to consider the space. So it says precision in drawing a room in one-point perspective without any technical errors. So you'll definitely have to know how to draw the room using one-point perspective accurately. The next thing is elements. You need more than 3 elements of the room that are clearly and accurately drawn in perspective with no technical errors. So that would be your bed, your dresser, and your window. The next thing is style. Innovative decor, color scheme, and design that complement the client's specific aesthetic style and personal interest. So even if the room looks lovely and you've added some upgrades, if it doesn't complement your client's style, then you really have not met the criteria. And we're going to be competing, so you want to make sure that you're really trying to look at that. The very last thing says problem solving and solution ideas. So here we're looking at your upgrades. So you created 2 or more upgrades and design renovations that improve the quality of the space based on the client's specific needs. Okay, so good luck with your project. Let's get started.